Fixing the system. XML-LINQ Library DLL pop-up requires an expert look at your shared files. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll automate that repair for you. Before diving into the manual fix for System XML-LINQ Library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the System XML-LINQ Library, the .NET assembly for querying XML data using LINQ. If missing or corrupted, all modern .NET applications using XML-based settings will fail to launch, reporting a fatal execution engine error. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. I've found that reinstalling Microsoft.NET is the most consistent way to clear this error. Download the official Visual C++ installers for x86 and x64 from Microsoft and run them to refresh the library. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including System XML-LINQ library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. A critical reminder, modifying System XML-LINQ Library DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overwriting essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Review options for improved system responsiveness by consulting the primary tool linked below for System XML-LINQ Library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got System XML-LINQ Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.